Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce you to something brand new that I'm offering on my website. I'll be starting to offer crystal wisdom workshops. These are on-demand video learning opportunities that will help you incorporate crystal wisdom into your everyday life. These workshops are based on the processes and practices in my book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change. They help you step through the crystal wisdom practices individually with a specific gemstone so that you can discover the inner wisdom from that gemstone and start learning how to use the crystal wisdom practices in your everyday life. The first video that I'm offering, the first workshop, is based on rose quartz, a rose quartz crystal wisdom workshop. And you will learn the messages that rose quartz may have for you and how to implement it in your everyday life. Each workshop includes 4 videos and a printable worksheet to help you take notes and jot down your discoveries during the meditations. I will talk to you about why you might be attracted to rose quartz, why you could be reaching for this gemstone, collecting it, sitting with it, why it makes you feel comfortable. I'll take you through a guided meditation to help you tap into your own inner wisdom and discover the messages that rose quartz is trying to tell you. I'll guide you through the daily practice with rose quartz so that you get comfortable with doing that meditation on a regular basis. And I'll describe some examples of spontaneous practices that you can do with rose quartz based on the inner wisdom and the messages that you received in the earlier meditations. All of these videos and the worksheet are to help you implement rose quartz crystal wisdom into your everyday life so that you can discover the answers to what you are seeking, resolution to challenges in your life, healing wounds in your life, and also nurture more of positive aspects in your life. These workshops are intended to help you improve your daily life and to help give you a foundation for a really productive, practical use of rose quartz in your life. So if you are interested in enrolling in the Rose Quartz Crystal Wisdom Workshop, I'll put a link to that in the description and the pinned comment below so that you can check out the full description of the workshop. I'll be providing a brand new Crystal Wisdom workshop every single month with a different gemstone so you can really learn how to practically implement the crystal wisdom practices into your everyday life. So thank you so much for joining me today to hear about these new crystal wisdom workshops. I really hope that you find them valuable. If you haven't already read Crystal Wisdom, then I will link to the book above and in the description below so that you can get a copy for yourself and discover the transformative practice that is crystal wisdom. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon.